9:17 a.m., same paragraph, 11 minutes. Your brain did not wander, it did not get distracted, it simply went offline, without telling you. Same paragraph. You walked to the kitchen and back hoping something would change. Nothing changed. Because caffeine is not the switch. The blank in the meeting, the fog at the gym, the page you read 3 times. Same brain, same problem, 3 locations.
Neuroscience. Your prefrontal cortex, the thinking brain tex, needs blood flow, oxygen, and neural activation to function. Sitting still for 2 hours reduces blood flow to the brain by up to 30%. Your brain went offline because your body told it to. An offline brain does not process information. It receives it and loses it. You are not forgetful. Your brain, he knew every word. His brain went offline because your body told it to. An offline brain does not process information. It receives it and loses it. You are not forgetful. Your brain, he knew every word. His brain went offline because your body told it to. An offline brain does not process information. It receives it and loses it. You are not forgetful. Your brain, he knew every word. His brain went offline at the moment he needed it most. That is not nerves. That is an unactivated brain cannot be present in conversation either. You hear the words. They do not stick. You nod.
He already knew tool 1,
Both brain
sensory
hemispheres
grounding,
simultaneously.
cold
Left hand to
glass.
right knee, right hand to left knee, 60 seconds. This is called Brain Gym Exercise 1. It works immediately. Exercise 2, single leg balance, eyes closed, 10 seconds each side. This activates the cerebellum, your coordinations. Exercise 3, dual task drawing, left hand circles, right hand triangles, simultaneously. This forces bilateral brain coordination, 90 seconds. Your prefrontal cortex has no choice but to act. Exercise 4, cold water activation. Drink a full glass, splash cold on your face. Dehydration reduces cognitive 193. Exercise 5, sequential subtraction. Count backward from 100 by 7s, out loud. Same paragraph, first read, processed, not because he got smarter, because his brain was finally activated. 10 minutes, 5 exercises, that is the entire protocol. 40 minutes, he did not notice. That is what an activated brain feels like. Not effort, just count, flow. This is available to you every single day.
You good?
Yeah, ready.
5 minutes before the presentation, 3 exercises, 90 seconds each. His brain was activated before he walked in. That is preparation nobody else in the room had done. Same room, same material. Old Ethan read from notes, new Ethan did not need them. Not because he practiced more.
You know someone like this. Someone who cannot focus, who blames themselves for being foggy, who was never taught the restart button. Use it tomorrow morning before you sit down to work. Use it before any high-stakes situation. Your brain was never broken. It was never activated. Don't overthink this. Tomorrow morning, Tate, before the laptop opens, try exercise 1, 60 seconds. If this